Good morning, guys. Another 3D puzzle helicopter printed on 100 speed again to try and speed it up. Doesn't look quite perfect to me. Still, we'll get it off there and see if it goes together. Yeah, definitely some problems there. These little bits, they should have a little square box on top of them, and that square box has gone small somehow, and that one's got a gap in it. And that one's sort of C-shaped, it's not a square box. Not perfect. They do seem to come off this glass bed easily. Just there, that one's moved when it's been printing. That should just be a straight, short straight piece, but part of it's moved right round. It's moved while it's been printing. I might have to start putting something on the surface to hold it in place. "10 hours, 40 minutes, 40 seconds. Well, guys, this was going to be me sitting here and assembling this helicopter puzzle, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. Now that I've actually brought it downstairs and put my glasses on, I can see this is a complete fail as far as the printing goes. I had mentioned I've been trying to print at a faster speed, and I'm using the glass print bed, and this has clearly moved while it's been printing. That one's particularly warped, so that's gone. Looks like it's slipped along as it's printing by about 1/8 of an inch. That's the bottom, and then it's slipped along while it's been printing. And when I look, I can see the others are the same. That's slipped along. So this is where it started printing on the bottom, and then somehow or other it's moved along. I've noticed it on that piece because it was quite obvious. That's the bottom layer, and then that must have moved somehow, and then the upper layers are about 45 degrees. And they're all like that. They've all slipped during the print. So that's 10 hours of printing, that was. Pretty hopeless. I say they've slipped during printing, either that or my which axis would that be? Axis X, Y and Z. Can't actually remember which way it was. I mean, it's possible it may have slipped on a couple of teeth on the axis. I don't think so. I haven't noticed any slack, but I'll go and check. But noticing the way that's, well, no, that wouldn't be slipping on the X or Y axis. That's gone 45 degrees out of alignment. But these have all gone off a little bit. I'll go and have a look at my printer, but whatever, we're not going to be putting that one together. I'm looking at the glass bed. It is just possible that that might have moved out of alignment somehow. Because I had to use different clips to hold it in place, because the original clips were much smaller for the thinner bed that was on there. So whether somehow it's... that's a possibility. I have in the past had the print head, the nozzle, hit one of these clips when we've been printing near the edge. Hadn't thought of that, but that is a definite possibility. It might have somehow possibly hit one of the clips because it was printing close up to the edge. And that could have knocked the whole glass bed out of alignment. I don't even know I've got it the right way up. I'm pretty sure I have. It's got this black speckly layer, which I think is the print layer. The other side is just shiny glass. There wasn't any instructions with it. Maybe I better go and have a look online, see if there's any guidance. We'll see. Right, I've just watched a couple of videos on using these glass plates on these printers, and there is a problem that it can move if you're doing a particularly busy print, lots of left, right, backwards, forwards. So you do need these clips to be holding it very tight, and I think it may have slipped a little bit. But on top of that, I still think I may be printing too fast, and that's dragging the layers a bit as well. Or some of the smaller bits had actually come loose and it had printed them in a different position. So I may need to find some more clips. I was a bit stuck finding clips for this, but I think I've got some more somewhere, because that one's a little bit small down in that corner there. These look all right. Yeah, okay, we're learning as we go along, and I have got it the right way up, and this surface on it is called Build Tech or something. It grips it while it's hot and releases it when it gets cold. Okay. Right, this is the second attempt at printing this. Printing it on a lower quality. And only 80 millimeters per second, or whatever it is, speed instead of 100. We'll have a look when it's finished. At the moment it looks better, but I'm not confident. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.